In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI art on Canva in just a few easy steps. This is a super simple way to generate unique images without needing advanced design skills, and it's perfect if you want to make eye-catching visuals for social media, thumbnails, presentations, or personal projects. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main Canva dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Canva AI. This is where Canva's AI tools are located, and it's the starting point for generating your own custom artwork. After that, select the image option. This tells Canva that you want to create a visual image rather than text or another type of AI result. Now you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the kind of art you want Canva to generate. Be as clear as possible. For example, you could type something like, create an image of a beach. You can also get more specific by adding details like sunset lighting, tropical water, realistic style, or cartoon style, depending on the look you want. The more detail you give, the better your result is likely to be. Once you've entered your prompt, Canva will start generating the image for you. At this point, just wait a few moments while the AI creates your artwork. Depending on the complexity of the prompt and your internet connection, this may take a short time, so give it a moment to finish. When the image appears, take a look at the result and make sure it matches what you had in mind. If it does, hover over the image and find the download icon. Click that download button to save the AI art to your device. And that's it. You've successfully created AI art on Canva and downloaded it for use anywhere you need it. This is a really quick workflow once you get used to it, and it's a great way to create visuals fast. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.